a quick review on the sending unit of our circuit breaker tracer. We have the 3-prong sending unit that you can plug into a 3-prong receptacle, and then if it's wired properly, you get the 2 lights that are lit up telling you that it's wired properly. Now, they also give you, on some models, this adapter that you can screw into a standard light bulb. And if you notice, that only has 2 prongs. If your house was a very old house that only has 2-prong receptacles, you could then plug in this other little adapter that you plug in to there, screw that into a light bulb, then take your sending unit and plug it in. Now, when I screw this into a light bulb, you're going to notice that only 1 light lights up, and that indicates that there's an open ground. The reason for that is on light bulbs, remember I talked about hot and ungrounded, okay, and grounded and the neutral. Now, in a normal, if a receptacle is wired properly and you plug in a lamp, the grounded terminal or the white will touch this silver outer shell, and the hot or ungrounded conductor will touch that little tab that sits in the middle. This way it's very difficult for you to get shocked off of this outer shell. So when I plug there, so there is no ground wire attached to the lighting socket itself, only to any metal parts that would be inside of that light fixture. Okay, so we'll plug this into a light and we'll see what happens. Okay, I took out a light bulb in my basement and I plugged in my circuit tracer adapter, and as you can see, I only have 1 light that is lit. Okay, I plugged my circuit tracer into one of the light fixtures here in my basement, and now we're going to take the receiver end, and like we did before, I'm going to scan down the circuit breakers. I know it's not going to be any of these 2-pole breakers, so go over more breakers later. You're getting a little something there, might be close. That one's really, we'll just double check. And if you remember before, on your left-hand side is the odd breakers, 1, 3, 5, etc. On the right-hand side is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And when I look on my directory here, basement lights is item number 10. And I turn the lights back on.